All right, so we got myself, lifelong friend, John Hoyt. We're fixing to have a duel. He's going to be running his Glock 19X from, he don't have a holster for it, so he's going to be going from a compressed ready. At the sound of the beep, we're going to shoot our respective steel target behind the camera. We're going to do a reload, not a emergency reload, but we're going to just do a tack reload and get another shot on the steel and see who is kicking whose ass. He says it's him, and it very well may be him. So let's see what happens. How'd you make me forget my pistol? You noticed? All right. Damn. Let's see. Stay right where you are. All right, let's try that. Don't shoot my camera. Shooter ready. Stand by. I had a malfunction. You didn't even hit it. And I had a malfunction. So a fine pair we are. That was a good malfunction drill though. Not sure what happened with that. We're going to run that back and hopefully both guns operate properly. Hopefully the operator operates properly and hopefully the gun operates properly. Ready? Shooter ready. Stand by. You got me on that one. I messed up though. Let's try that one more time. Let's run it back. All right, shooter ready. Stand by. We got to do that one more time. We're on camera. We got to do better than that. God. Shooter ready. Stand by. I don't know. Let's do it one more time. Gonna be a lot of editing in this one, folks. Shooter ready. Stand by. My poor wooden target stands look like a pile of toothpicks right now. So I guess the moral of the story is, no matter if you shoot every weekend like I do, or if you're shooting with somebody that doesn't shoot as often as you do, there's still a lot to be learned with doing these controlled environment dueling drills, and it adds a sense of urgency that you otherwise wouldn't have. And I've been shooting with the shot timer for so long that my sense of urgency is kind of relaxed. And so this is the first time I've ever done this, and the first time he's ever done this, and it definitely adds a sense of urgency that you wouldn't normally have. So if you have a range partner that you feel comfortable with doing this sort of thing, and you have a good safe distance between you and a good agreed upon safety measures, don't hesitate to try it. Do any sort of drills. You could do quick draw drills, you know, for time. You could do like the one we was just doing, the reload, tack reload drill. But try it out, record yourself, let me know what you got, and send me a video. I like to see it. Y'all have a good one.